How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force 47 TIR Super Takedown. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you have your main power cables here as well. So when it comes to your Supreme control, you have our standard Supreme control box and then our handheld. Now today I will be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the features of our handheld. So to get your light bar hooked up using our Supreme control box, you'll simply run your connector to your Supreme control. And then I went ahead and ran my main power cables, my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now I did bring a standard red-blue version with me, and you'll notice on our Super Takedown bars, they do come standard with multicolor takedown modules, our white alleys, and our amber traffic advisor in the back. And we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we even have our customized light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll notice on your Supreme control, you have your slide switch here. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those three modes off of your slide switch here. And then you have your flash pattern button, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can select a pattern that you'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can turn your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, switch to your front mode and program a pattern here, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your Super Takedown feature. So you'll see that you have your Super TD button here. So simply press that button to activate your Super Takedown modules. Now these do function independently, whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when you deactivate that button, those modules will go back to flashing the warning color of your light bar ordered. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you'll see that you have your takedown, alley, and cruise functions here. Now when these buttons are activated, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn, and these do function whether your light bar is flashing or not as well, just like your Super Takedown feature. And then when these buttons are deactivated, these modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. And then again, the Super Takedown version does come standard with your multicolor takedowns here, and then we also offer a multicolor upgrade for your alleys, so those will flash in the warning color of your light bar ordered, and then when you activate that function, they will go steady burn clear. Now let's go over your traffic advisor. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you'll notice on all of our full-size light bars, the traffic advisor does come in standard amber, but we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where these modules will flash the warning color of your light bar ordered, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. And then you'll see on your Supreme control that you have your center out, you have your right left, and also your left right functions here. Now let's go over your Handheld Supreme. So you'll notice with our Handheld Supreme is it's more compact handheld design, and you'll see the slide switch is actually replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. You have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, and your traffic advising features. And then also you have your cruise mode, and then finally you have your Super Takedown feature here as well. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, as well as vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And then we have a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so, and you'll use 4 permanent mount stud brackets with this light bar. And then finally we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then you can sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 47 TIR Super Takedown. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.